Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we return to the wonderful company that is called Craft Buddy. Yes, that's right. Now, I have returned to Craft Buddy. I don't normally shop with them that often because they don't really do a lot of products that I'm into, but they've just launched a new product and they are going to be revealed very, very soon. So let's get into here. I love this Craft Buddy tape that they use, but inside here we have one of their brand new products that I think launched before Christmas. And are you ready? I can feel an invoice, so we don't want to get that out, but are you ready? It's Harry Potter! Oh, yes. Now, as I said, I think it was last year, just into this year. I can't remember when they were launching it, but they have just launched a Frozen theme as well. So they've got like the Frozen characters. When I went on there, I couldn't locate them, so I'm not sure as and when they're out, but they've just come out with these Harry Potter wooden stands. So, you know, like that Iron Man one that I did. Well, inside here, look at that. Now, as you know, I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter, and so is Lazy Retired Granny. So, Lazy Retired Granny, I want to see this on your channel. Because there's quite a lot in the collection. You've got Harry Potter, you've got Ron, Hermione, Hagrid, Hedwig. Don't have a clue who that is. Interesting. Professor Gamble, Michael Gambon plays him. What's his name? Albus Dumbledore. There we go. And then we've got the lady played by Maggie Smith, who is called Professor McGonagall. So yeah, there's quite a lot to collect, and I thought I'd get the one to start off with because I wasn't sure whether they'd be out, be any good with that so far. I wasn't sure like how well it would come out, but in here we've got the Shemetic up here. It doesn't look like there's a lot of drills, but let's take a look in here. Whoops. And we'll take it in here. If you've never done diamond painting before, you can see here that this just gives you a little guide as to what they do. And as you can see, I do believe they sell these on the works as well, but after the latest delivery I had from them, it wasn't a very good delivery. All the drills fell out and it really put me off ordering through them. And I only ordered because I couldn't find them in the shop of this elephant, but I had to chuck it away. It was that awful. But anyway, in here with Craft Buddy, you normally get your white trays and your white pens. As you can see, it's got the word Craft Buddy written on the pen, and you get some bags there as well. So it's really lovely of them to do that. We've got this lovely black frame. I'm not really understanding why they've put the batch code printed on this. That's quite annoying because obviously if that's going to be a display item, you don't really want to have that printed on there. But I could probably go over that with a bit of black paint. And then on here, you've got like the Craft Buddy and the Wisdom World of Harry Potter logo there and the Craft Buddy logo. And there it is, little Harry Potter. And as you can see, the stick, that's beautiful. So then what will happen is once he's done, once he's in the plinth like that, you're not going to see that batch code behind. But I don't understand why they've done that. It's quite annoying. But yeah, as you can see, that's going to be a little Harry Potter. It's so cute. I just love the fact that they've come out with Harry Potter stuff. I'm a massive, as you know, I love me Harry Potter. So yeah, I've got Harry Potter mugs, I've got Harry Potter pencil cases. So I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. So yeah, anyone that doesn't like it, I highly recommend you watch the films. Brilliant films. But anyway, let's take a look at the little... Oh, that's so cute. Look at the tiny little bag. that is so funny. Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever... I think the shortest amount of drills I've ever had was a painting with... I think it was the sunflower that I did way early on the channel, and it was from the works, and it had like literally 4 colours. And in here, it looks like this is the same, but having said that, it's got 5. So in here, we've got ourselves the red, probably your classic scarf colours here, brown and yellow. Yeah, it's the scarf colour there. And then you've got your peach and your little brown. That is an absolutely stunning piece of... Yeah, love it. The only thing that disappoints me on this is 2 things. Obviously, the logo on there, they could have printed that underneath. I don't know why they've done that. And number 2... For me, I want that centered more. I don't like the way it's like shunted to one side. I would like to have it right round about there, sort of. But it is what it is, you know, we can't argue. But if this turns out really, really good, I might get the Hagrid next. What I might do is, I've got an idea for this. I think I might swap out the yellow and the red for AB drills. If I've got any. I don't work an awful lot with AB drills. So, and what I might do is put some seal on there and just put some brown drills on there just to give it the thing. And I think that N is in the wrong position, because when he has his lightning bolt, it's normally round the centre of the head. I've never known it to be on the side of it, so I don't know why they've done that. But yeah, it's really good. I like it. So high quality. I think I paid £5 for this. I'm super happy with it. And as I said, it does come with your Shemetic, so you could cut that little chart out if you wanted to. They've got some other products here by the looks of it, like pencil holders and calendars and cards. Little fairy there. Visit our website for a free project template and save disposal instructions. So it looks like you can get a template and then like make your own thing. But as I said, on the back here we do have, oh, it's series 3. So does that mean that there's another series? Right, okay. I didn't know there was a series 1, but interesting. But yeah, there's well, I've actually got Harry, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to collect. So I need another 7. If I can get all them, I would be really happy. But as I said, that's from Craft Buddy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, always tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell and you'll be notified as and when a video is. And most importantly, you won't miss out on the action. But anyway, until then, we'll see you next time. Bye.